Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to hide Instagram following or followers list. If you're using Instagram and now you want to hide your following or follower list, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your Instagram app and here just tap on your profile in the bottom right corner, then tap on three dots in the top right corner. And from here, just select account privacy option and you must have to enable that toggle which is private account. Just enable that, then tap on switch to private. Or if you have any creator or professional account, so it may be you'll get this issue that creator account can't be private. If you want to make your account private, first switch to be to a personal account. So if you still want to make your account private, you must have to switch your account to a personal account. So open creator tools and controls option and here select switch account type and here select switch to personal account, then tap on switch to personal account option again and your account will be switched. You just have to wait for its loading. Once the loading has been complete, your account will be a personal account. You can see there is no any professional dashboard. You must have to tap on three dots again and here just tap on account privacy, then select private account option, tap on switch to private. Once you have that, your account will be private. Now no one can see your followers and follow links list on your Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.